How to make Windows 11 run faster and improve performance. To make Windows 11 run faster and improve performance, try 1. Turn off visual effects. Start menu, advanced, choose view, advanced system settings, performance, adjust for best performance, disable show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Refer to Windows 10. 2. Customize performance power plan. Enable the driver booster power plan for gaming. For processor power management, ensure the minimum and maximum processor state is 100%. Refer to Windows 10 as well. 3. Customize Windows 11 startup apps. 4. Disable startup programs via WTM. 5. Turn on Storage Sense via Windows 11 settings. 6. Regularly remove temporary files via storage. 7. Customize Windows 11 notifications.